Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2 8.6 question number 2. Find the value of. You have to subtract, right? It is question number A. Here we are doing question number A. Question number A is question number A 9.756 9.7 9.756 6 minus 6.28 6.28 and after point you can write 0 also, that is 0. You have to subtract this one. We are subtracting. It is 6 8 7 15, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 9 minus 6 is 3. Therefore this is 3.476. Answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is 21.05 21.05 minus 15.27 minus 15.27. You subtract, you will get 5 7, this is 5 7 8 15, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, that is 7, carry 1, 5 1 6, 6 5 11, carry 1 1 and 2 to the 0, it is 5.78. The answer of question number B is 5.78 is the answer, right? Now question number C. Here we are doing question number C. Question number C is 18.5 minus 6.79 6.79. Here you can write 0 also, right? Therefore 9 1 carry 9 10 1 carry 1 7 1 8 8 7 15, carry 1 6 7 8, that is 11.71 is the answer of question number C. Now question number D is 11.6 minus 9.847. You can write 0 after here, after point there is no value for 0, therefore writing 0. 7, that is 3, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 7 16, carry 1, 9 1 10, 11 1. This is 1.753 is the answer of question number D. This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 8.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.